Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these super cute and easy Princess Peach centerpieces. So if you're looking for some party decor inspo, then just keep watching. The first thing we have to do is design our centerpieces. Now I bought these inexpensive boxes off of Amazon that we're going to use to create the centerpieces. So we're going to use the dimensions of the boxes to create a template to work from. The boxes I bought are 3 by 3 inches. And they're yellow, so I just created a template on Design Space that kind of mimic those boxes. Now we're going to look for the question mark to go on the front of our boxes. I googled Mario mystery box SVG, and you're going to look for an image that you'll be able to get rid of the background in Design Space. Once you've found an image that you can use, drag it over to your desktop and save it. Next, to upload the image into Design Space, you're going to click on Upload Image. You can either look for the image in your device or you can drag it over. I clicked on Complex as my choice. Now once we get to this screen, you can make sure you hit Select to remove the background. Once the background is removed, I erased everything else in the image that I did not need. Once that's done, click on Apply and Continue. Then click on Cut Image, create a name for your image, and click Upload. Once you have resized your image to fit your template, we're going to be looking for some characters to add to our centerpieces. We're going to follow the same steps I did for the question mark, but this time we're going to Google Princess Peach PNG. A PNG image already has the background removed to make it easier for us. Once I saved the Princess Peach images, I moved on to Toad and Toadette and followed the same steps for the previous image. Now that all the images are uploaded and added to your canvas, we're going to resize them. I made Princess Peach 5.5 inches or around 6 inches. I made Toad and Toadette 2.5 inches. The flower is 2 inches, and I made the star 1.34 inches. I'll add all the dimensions in the description box below. To make the characters more sturdy in the centerpieces, I decided to create a backing for each image. I duplicated the image, took that duplicated image, changed it from a print then cut to a basic cut image. to create a name and age for the centerpieces. Click text on the left-hand side of the screen, and then you're going to type the name and change the font to whatever font you would like. I downloaded a Mario themed font from Etsy. Next, I clicked on offset to create an outline for the name. You can adjust the size to make a big or small outline. Once you have finished, select the name and the offset you created and flatten it by clicking flatten at the bottom right. This will change the image from a basic cut to a print thin cut. You're going to resize the name and the number on the centerpiece. I made the name 3 inches in width and the number 1.5 inches in height. You're going to do the same steps for the number on the centerpiece. Now it's time to print and cut all our images. I hit make at the top right, select the mat that I'm going to use, and then we can change the paper size to whichever one you use. I'm using 8.5 by 11. Now it's time to assemble the centerpieces. The materials you're going to need are a glue stick, 3D foam squares, floral foam, decorative shred, a stick to hold the centerpieces on, and the print and cut images. I hot glued the back of the images onto the stick just to make sure they were secure. this is how the centerpieces came out. All the sizes and materials needed to complete the centerpieces will be listed in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!